I wanted to come up with a generalizable way of getting data off of the Arduino into a computer program without using serial. And the way we're going to do it is we're going to convert values that we're reading from Arduino, and we're going to convert them to keyboard presses. So if I read, for example, the value of 5 off of a sensor, I'm going to send a key press of 5. If I read a value of 510, I'll send a key sequence of 510. And this will allow us to get information from the Arduino into basically any program onto our computer. So I've got this analog keyboard print program running on Arduino right now, and I've got the ability to toggle this on and off. So I'm going to turn it on right now by hitting a button, and you can see we're just in Notepad right now. You can see these values changing based on me moving this joystick. So this could be really powerful. I'm going to turn it off because one of the downsides is if you accidentally turn it on, it starts to write those values anywhere. As you can see, it's going into my Arduino program right there. So you've got to be careful with how you do this. But assuming a program is written to read those values, you can do some very cool things. So I've written this little p5js sketch, and I'll just, again, turn it on. And now I've got the A0 values are mapped here, and the A1 values are shown here. So as I move this joystick around, I get a live update of those values. So I'm moving down on the joystick, moving up on the joystick, moving to the right on the joystick, and left on the joystick, and all around. And you can see over here on the left in the console, you can see what's being received. All of this is happening via, oh, I got to turn it off. Ha! See, you can see this can be a problem. Let me undo that. But you can see that this is all happening with the key presses. So it's grabbing these key presses, it keeps putting them into a CSV string, and once it sees an enter key, the end of a string, then it starts to parse it out into values.